Are you ready to see which piece of art we got? There's literally a kid making raspberries at me right now. That's a treat right there. Buongiorno, travel lovers, and welcome to Wanderlust for Life here on YouTube, the channel that shows you European gems through food and memorable experiences. Today we are in Siena, Italy, and we are going to take a self-guided little foodie adventure. So let's dig in. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We have tons from Tuscany coming your way, and I can't wait to share them with you. So we are in Siena, like I said. It is a hot one. It's like 33, 34 degrees, which is like upper 90s. So we are gonna do our best to stay cool, see some of the sights, and eat our little hearts out. First little foodie adventure here is to get the local pasta. So this is very Siena, Sienese, I think is the right word. So we have peachy pasta, which is my favorite, but it's peachy rosso, and it is made with Chianti and tomato sauce, which is kind of cool. So you already get that in there. And then the top is cinto senese. Yay, I think I said it right, which is wild boar ragu. So we're gonna dig in here before we get started exploring the rest of Siena and trying some more delicious food. We found the cathedral. It's massive. It's also very beautiful. Oh man. So it is a 13th century cathedral, and it is famous for its black and white marble and just being stunning, really. We had to stop to get some art because we love collecting art, especially in Italy, and we haven't gotten any yet. So are you ready to see which piece of art we got? Okay. This is Siena, and this is old Siena, and it like yelled at me in the window to buy it, and that doesn't always happen, so I'm so excited. We're here at Piazza del Campo, and this is where they have the famous Siena horse races on July 2nd and August 16th on a normal year. But what's crazy is they basically fill the inside of this square with people. Then they race the horses around them. Like, it just sounds insane. We actually watched a Rick Steves video of it, and it's kind of mind-blowing. Definitely watch that. I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. But it's a massive square. It's really cool that they, you know, find things to do here, but having horses run around people, it's so awesome because it's just so historical, and I love that. I love that Italy keeps that kind of thing alive. For our sweet part of our little foodie adventure, we have come to Il Magnifico, which was recommended to us by Ariana from KM0 Tours when we were with them. We got 3 little sweet treats, and we're gonna go find somewhere to eat them all. I'm gonna first try the panforte. This is sort of fruitcake-like. I picked the sweeter one, not the super strong one, because they had 2 at this place, which was nice. But it's very ooey-gooey on the inside. So, oh, and lots of nuts and powdered sugar. All right, so let's give it a go. I see why it's a Christmas thing. It has those flavors. So this is like cinnamon, candied orange, some honey, citrus peel, vanilla. So yeah, it has like that warm kind of flavors that you think of when you think about Christmas time, or at least I do. I'm glad I got the sweet one. It's good. I don't love nuts too much in food, but it really works. Next up is the ricciarelli. Again, hope I'm saying that right. And it just looks like a powdered puffball, and it's made from almond paste. So it's very kind of almost cakey on the inside, a little sticky. Very good. I think there might be some almonds in it. Like, it's not completely soft is what I mean. It's really, really good. I mean, if you like almond flavor, this is something you're really gonna enjoy. Oh, if you like almond flavor and sweet things. Oh, definitely almonds. Definitely. That's a treat right there. This is the cantucci. This is the like harder biscuit with almonds inside. The only one they had at that shop was with chocolate, which is totally fine with me. So I'm gonna give it a try. There's literally a kid making raspberries at me right now. Okay, so I'm not the biggest fan of hard biscuits, so this isn't my favorite, but I think it would be quite good if you had the right drink, and since this is supposed to be paired with a wine, I think that would be a nice pairing. But if you like biscuits, this is something that you're absolutely gonna love, and you should definitely eat when you're here in Siena. Fun fact, this crazy tall tower behind me was finished in 1348. It's 87 meters high and has a belfry on the top dedicated to the Virgin Mary. And it kind of just looks over on this insane square, the one that they do the horse races on. And it's just so imposing. I mean, look at that. I got my gelato. I was about ready to have a hissy fit because I'm just so hot. So I got stracciatella and strawberry, almost forgot, fragola in Italian. And Sean got 3 different flavors, all the same color. Not as pretty as mine, right? Let us know down below, which is prettier. Pick mine. So I'm gonna try it. This is supposed to be like the best one in, oh, he doesn't want me to drop his, fair enough. It's supposed to be the best one in Siena. That is one of the best stracciatellas I've had. And we've had stracciatella where it was created, so. The strawberry is so fruit forward. Not super sweet or anything like that. Just very strawberry-like, and there's bits of strawberry in there so you can like crunch down on something. But they're both really good. I feel like usually when I get different flavors, one isn't very good. But we're gonna eat this before it melts, and then I think we're close to heading out and cooling down. We made it out of Siena, thank goodness. The parking spot getting out was no problem. I have to say, everybody that we've met, especially when it comes to parking, has been so ridiculously nice. It has made everything a little easier. But yeah, driving into Siena is such a pain in the butt. There's some weird roundabouts and stuff, but just follow your maps, and it's really nice to have somebody else helping you navigate. But we are gonna have dinner here in a small town near our agriturismo, so we're going to say good night. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. More Tuscany videos to come, so don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye guys.